What's up, YouTube? I know y'all missed me. I know you have, and I'm sorry. I can say every excuse right now. And it wouldn't mean a thing, so sure. I'm not even gonna tell y'all why I was gone. I'm playing. I moved. Yes. I'm in a different environment right now. This is a whole new bathroom that we're doing a video in. So we're gonna have to get used to this movement. But yes, I am back. I'm sorry for the dummy long wait. It wasn't supposed to be that long. But now I'm back. Y'all can stop crying. But anyway, what I really want to do a video on, you already know you want to know about that hair. You already know you want to know about my hair. Anyways, I'm here to tell you the method I have been using so far. So far, I have been using the brush method. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to freeform my hair. So I'm using the brush method. And if y'all don't remember that method, I did a video on it a while back. Go find it and watch it. Unless you want me to do it again, because I will do it again. But yes, I've been using the brush method and I have been using the Eco Styler styling gel. That's it. That's it. Not rocket science. That's it. Brush, styling gel. Brush, styling gel. That's it. That's it. Nothing else to it. Just brush and styling gel. Just take your brush like that all over your head and you be straight. Cause I'm trying to freeform it, and the brush method, in my opinion, is the perfect way to start freeforming. And yes, the brush method can take out your hair if you don't know what you're doing. Don't know what you're doing, you gonna mess your whole head up. But if you know what you're doing, then your hair gonna be looking fire. So look, brush method really works. If you want a tutorial on how to do it, just put it in the comments and ask me. Or if you don't want to do that, just go over into my old videos and watch it there, because I know it's there. But yes, brush method. That's all I've been doing. And that's really the end of this video. I just came to tell y'all what method I have been using on my hair. And so y'all can see my hair about like how much it's improving. Now, I just woke up. I just woke up. And I didn't band up my hair last night. So this is how it's looking. It's not looking as bad as I thought it was. But it's decent. So this is my hair right now. I'll even do 360. Yeah, but that's my hair. For everybody that was wondering, wanted to see it. And yeah, that's really the end of this simple video. This has been TJTV. And I'm out. Y'all already know what to do at this point. Hit that subscribe button. Never miss another video. Be a part of TJ Squad and be connected all around. Thank you.